Think you're building a massive chest? Most people are wasting months doing these exercises, and even worse, some of your favorite moves could be secretly wrecking your shoulders. Stick around because today I'm going to break down the perfect chest workout for home or gym, step by step, beginner to advanced. Here's the truth. You could be bench pressing every week, doing push-ups every day, but if your form is off, even slightly, you're missing out on gains and risking injury. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hit your chest safely and effectively, so you finally get the thick, defined pecs you've been chasing. Let's start with the king of chest exercises, the bench press. Most lifters make three classic mistakes: elbows flaring too wide, bouncing the bar off the chest, or not engaging their back. These mistakes kill gains and put your shoulders at risk. Lie flat on the bench, feet firmly on the ground. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Pull your shoulder blades together and keep your chest proud. Think of creating a solid foundation, like a skyscraper's base. Lower the bar slowly to mid-chest, touch lightly, then press explosively. Advanced tip: squeeze your chest at the top, exhale fully, and keep tension on the pecs, not the shoulders. Engagement question: do you feel your chest doing the work, or is it your shoulders taking over? That difference matters more than weight. Next up, incline dumbbell presses. This hits the upper chest and builds a full, rounded look. Too many people use too much weight and cheat their range of motion. Set the bench at 30 to 45 degrees. Keep your shoulder blades tight and chest up. Press dumbbells up while maintaining a slight arc, lowering until elbows are just below chest level. Focus on contracting upper pecs at the top. Mini light bulb moment: imagine your upper chest like the roof of your house. You want it solid and strong to make the whole structure look impressive. Now, chest flies, the isolation king. These are perfect for stretching and shaping your pecs. Lie flat on a bench with dumbbells. Keep elbows slightly bent, lower arms wide until you feel a stretch in your chest. Press dumbbells back together slowly. Focus on squeezing pecs, not pushing with arms. Common mistake: locking elbows or flaring too much. Both reduce activation and increase injury risk. Small tweaks equal big gains. Finally, push-ups, your all-time home workout go-to. But are you doing them wrong? Correct form: hands shoulder width, body straight like a plank. Lower chest slowly to the floor, elbows at 45 degrees. Press back up, keep core tight. Advanced tip: try explosive push-ups or weighted push-ups for extra pec growth. Even 10 perfect reps can light up your chest. Alright, here's the recap. Bench press builds your mass, incline targets upper pecs, flies isolate, and push-ups perfect your form. Try 10 flawless reps of each right now. Feel the difference. Remember, perfect form beats heavy weights. Consistency plus precision equals massive chest gains. Hit subscribe because next we'll tackle back and shoulders for full upper body dominance. And trust me, your future self will thank you.